Hello guys, how are you? Today we have this is new gadget. It's called a car cup holder. So let's open and see how it look like. This is a holder. Let's see. There is a button. We can adjust it our phone. Really cool. And let's see what is there. This one, I think, is become here. Let's see. Yeah, it's supposed to be like this. Yeah, this is yours, bigger. You can see here. Here you can put your cup, and this one is also goes where is the cup stand. You can see here. And one thing, you also can adjust it. See here, this is really cool. Wow, this is amazing. Yes, now see this one.